People, welcome by the Politricks Watch. This is the Fireside series. This is a follow-up to a video I did drop before. We touched on it slightly, but now we're going more in-depth. I'm going to use mainly one of the new favorite artists, them, Chronic Law, aka Chronic Depression. I'm going to use him, but it applies to most of your favorite artists, them, not just Irish Saxon artists, but even Yankee Saxon artists. You will notice the trend. Enough time you listen to them and you hear them talk about, they don't love no girl and they don't care about these hoes, and they can tell them what really I go on this. See, a lot of these youths who become artists, even though them rubber dub woman, them not really love woman, because most of their experiences with women has been, let's just say, disastrous. Just like how you have some woman will tell you, these niggas ain't this. So that's the female equivalent. Well, them DJ we are here, these rappers, they're the male equivalent. I can talk about it. I tell you I want to reach to a stage like chronic depression, chronic law, chronic obesity. I tell you I want to reach it. So before I go into that special Patron birthday shout out, this one goes out to Chad. Chad from the Patron squad. Long time supporter. I think I say look at YouTuber. July 4th, Independence Day for the Yankee them. My birthday. I have to tell him, say boy Chad, by Sunday I have to go drop the video and him say look at YouTuber, no problem. Chad make me know say right now he's currently deployed overseas. He's a military man. You know it guy already keep your head on a swivel. Make it back home in one piece. Get all the knowledge they can gather. And see, when they go take up them kind of work there, me and you know say it's not because you want to do no fighting for Uncle Sam. Me know that. But make use of it while you can. Take all you can get. Most importantly, study the game, because Uncle Sam play a ball game, big ball game. So you get to be a part of the big ball game, you get to see real international geopolitics. Study, take what you can take. Drop back the knowledge in the Iron Man. So the thing go. Chad, big up yourself, bro. That's Chad from the Patron squad. I could talk about some of the favorite artists them like Chronic Law and them, man. Telling already, youths them. Like me and say, check out the artists because one you have to say about the artists. Put on the BCC. Say me I go up on a Chronic Law. Right. A Chronic Law run. Be a Chronic Law. After about the 7th song, come like more and get 15 different prescription pill. You know them prescription pill there, and then you take them say you take them for depression. Side effects include seed bag drop off. You know them pill there? That Chronic Law music. Man, good thing I have on the BCC. You have to listen to them man in a doses. Because if you listen to it for 3 hours straight, you might go down at the hardware store, go buy one 15 pound a rope. It has to be studied. I'm not saying the guy is not talented. He definitely have a style to him. Definitely. But just like most others, his talents are wasted on nonsense. Low IQ, low frequency nonsense. Very talented guy. He could go very far from the accents. Right now, I'm not listening to this at all. But most all them boys, if me ever see him, all if me get Chronic Law 100 meter head start, he can't run unless me catch him. These guys only talk tough to them friend, but in a real life, we know it go. I only pound who's the ball. The Chronic Law. Let me tell you how you reach where there. Talk to my favorite artists them too. Talk to the fans them of these artists. When you hear man I come out, oh, me no love no girl, I'm not business about no love, I'm not believe in no love. I tell you how them reach this song. When you hear the Yankee them I talk, but I don't care about these hoes, I don't care about these bitches, and I don't tell you how them reach this song. Most of your favorite artists them, and you heard me right, most, their history with woman has been cantankerous and dangerous. Remember that tune there? Look for them DJ, they will tell you say them are gallist and girl them a run them down, unicorn meat. The truth is, most of your favorite artists them, before them boss, no woman never really that check for them like that. They're used to being played and played and dissed and dissed. If you listen to Biggie tune, girls used to diss me, though them write letters say they miss me. Listen to Biggie Smalls. Biggie Smalls is like another example, obviously a way more talented example, but another example of Chronic Law. I mean, Biggie is a bigger version of Chronic Law in every sense of the word. Bigger talent, bigger lyricist, but Chronic Law can do him thing too. I'm not taking nothing from him. But when you hear Biggie talk about woman, you have to read between the lines. If you look at how his relationships played out with even Lil Kim and them girlie and his wife and all kind of stuff, understand, them money are very, them money might rub at the woman, but them don't really love woman. And I must say, some of my lyrics to me hear Biggie drop back in the day, no me even have to wonder certain things. But girls used to diss me, now they write love letters so they miss me. Them thing there is why enough of your favorite artists them sound or them sound, because youths like Chronic Law. This brother where you tip on your screen, most of your favorite artists them, they are not actual men that women find desirable. I'm not trying to, it's not personal, there's a reason. When a woman tell us, oh Chronic Law, I'm a man, love him. When she tell us, oh the DJ them love him. No, she loves the hype and the fame attached to your name. We talk about this already, but we'll go deeper in it. She loves the hype and the fame attached to your name. She's not lusting after the physical being that the man that is in front of her. That's not who get her niggle eye with. It's the person who sing the tune them she like and can go up on the stage go shell it down. In the back of their mind, no care how them tell about them Benz and them Beamer and them roll out with 20 gal. In their mind, they always remember how things were before them bust. And them remember say the only niggle eye them coulda get was the niggle eye them where anybody else coulda get. This is why I tell you, say, when you go tell me say my bad mind your favorite artist fi hot girl, don't show me the girl them when you get after him boss. Show me him first baby mother. Before him never name. Before him did have fame. Them DJ in the back of their mind have a lot of resentment towards women. And it manifests in the music. Me no business about no girl. Me no believe in no love. That's what you say when the first 25 years of your life has been nothing but this and this and this and take for fool and rejection and all kind of something. 3 years, all of a sudden, seems to be a woman running down. That actually increases the resentment, because he must say, no man, them girls are wicked, cause look how them used to go on, or look how them are going now. Girls used to diss me, now they write love letters so they miss me. So them have fun and them take the niggle line because they don't know. Man. Girl a dash niggle eye upon him, he might take it. But as soon as him come and she left, do you understand what I'm saying here? Girl carry niggle eye come give him. All 10 girl a carry it come a day, 10 a day a come. 10 a day a come link him in my yard. But as soon as him come and them left, and him burn a spliff and drink a Guinness, him start meds. Something around the back of him brain tap him and say, oh, dopey back. Them the kind of girl the way you get now. You could never get them girl there. Just 3 years ago. Remember you used to ball and beg. Carry for give some. Carry where every man in the community get. Niggle eye from except you. Remember that? And now carry one tear off your fence. Remember that? And him start meds them thing then. And him start put pen to paper. Me no believe in no love. Them girl are this and me no want a girl tell me nothing because and the girl not real. That's where the fight come from. It's resentment. They might love niggle eye, but them not really love woman like that. Because their experiences with woman has been traumatic. And me said there's a female version to this, but I don't know. The woman might go make that video there for now. But when you hear a woman walk around and say, these men ain't this and these men are dirty dog and niggas ain't every time his experiences in the past will shape them statements. Now, some people have higher EQ, that's emotional intelligence, and them can say, well, I've had bad experiences with she and she, but every woman can't be like this. And I'm willing, even if it means I have to keep looking till I find. Somebody me can say, well, me a fear and she are mine, and we can live good. Just like a woman with high emotional intelligence, I go say, well, alright. Room cost broke me heart. Then tongue cost come broke it too. Cheese tricks come broke it too. But now Carter should have show me some love. Let me not close off my heart to Carter. I see what I go on. But you like Chronic Law, they might love Neagle, but them don't really love woman. And when time they make them statement there, it's almost a defense mechanism. It's like they might try put up a shield, to be this tough guy. I don't care about nothing, I don't care about nobody. But let me tell you something, guy. You see them man they walk and tell us say no business about no girl. I ain't no love no girl and no girl can't go in my heart. Them man they are the biggest, most emotional lover boys you will ever find. I should them know it's easy for them fall in love. I should them know say if them book the right woman and she smile with them 2 times and show him a little affection, he may sit down over one bad pan and wash out all 25 or panty them. Him know that. Him a scripts. Them panty they clean. Him know that. Him know so him stay. So him do try put up a rude boy. No business about no girl. No love no girl. We don't believe you, bro. Remember say Chronic Law have mirror, I'm not trying to diss Chronic Law. Even though me say man, say look YouTuber have to get rifle shot. Come on DJ guy. It's a bit extreme. Remember sometimes them DJ attack and I send them threat. Come like me dead, When them a plan, we a plan. But Chronic Law have mirror, And Chronic Law have memory. Him know say no woman no check film like that. Chronic Law know say without being Chronic Law, there is no female. Well, let me check that this because Granny tell we say every O identical bush. So there might be one woman in the world, maybe 2, who if Chronic Law wasn't Chronic Law might look upon him and her niggle get wet. There may be 1. 1.5 maybe. But we know without music and fame and hype and money, no niggle eye in niggle eye dumb is getting wet looking for Chronic Law. I mean, he's the type of guy where if he walk up and touch a woman on her shoulder, she might call the law. So must see that's why he call himself Chronic Law. None of these artists know that the female them, the very female them where I dash niggle eye on them and I run back at them, deep down, are not actually attracted to them. But attracted to what them think them can do for them. And the hype and clout to surround them. And it manifests in them music. Me no love no girl, me no business about no girl. Me can't fall in love. That's how it manifests. But them man they make them talk they are the biggest lover boy they may ever find. Right girl catch them then turn in a complete idiot. Sunday evening you call him to come play ball. You shout and a shout, you can't find him. When you go down to the yard, go look, you see him on the back of one bad pants. Scripts, pay Brazil and panty night. I tell you, say him now watch no face. And all they can do is, alright bro, do your thing. Them man they know say, them very vulnerable to female charm. So them try put up on a little wall to try block it off and sound rough, but we don't believe you, bro. And then you go see meet one girl who get past him defenses because no matter what, let me tell you something, guy. You can go on like you're the baddest thing alive. Woman out there we can walk past your little defense and pop up your little heartstring. Me see man me rate. as a warrior, which is very rare. I'm not talking about what you call warrior. I'm not talking about 87 fire shot. I'm not talking about a real soldier, real, as close to Rambo can be in a real life. And I see them man, they buck woman. A woman turn them man in a teddy bear. Teddy bear. So anytime I soon I talk tough, I'm not using more no girl on them. No love no girl. I'm making an sorry, alright bro. And some of them have certain things in them art where them did want carry out long time but them just couldn't do it. I just like somebody who want to be done but you know the money. They ain't gonna get rich and they know you can become done. Money making worse. So enough man have certain things in the art, enough man have whole heap of self-hate, enough man have all colorists and them things there. Right. Them they really like dark skinned woman like that, you know, but when him broke and you don't know the girl side of him like community, right, like half of him look an eagle and say boy and take it, him all get her pregnant. But as soon as him rich, you have to look like dancehall queen Carleen for talk to him. It has to be studied. No them are gonna say boy him, look which you gone back on the bad mind again. Then me telling you so that's my thing. Enough people say them can't believe Therapy him have a bad mind team. Just say thing there. Bad mind. Bad mind chronic club, bad mind all afraid artist them. I too wish I could be surrounded by hundreds of women, right, who don't actually care about me but only when I have. I envy them for that because that's something to envy somebody for. Being surrounded by parasites and vultures. The envy cannot be contained. Guy, I'm telling you this. You know, one thing I get your heart broken sometime. I'm telling you years ago say, Nigla is not a bank. Nigla is not Barita. Don't approach it like say I go put in this and get back that. Treat it like charity. Treat it like charity, guy. Anything you give a woman, just write it off. Like when you do your taxes a year time, you just write off something, just write it off. No guarantees. But whole heap a good man left out the guy, whole heap. I only know that. But we know you got already, whatever man. Sometimes you get all a good girl, it's almost too good to be true. Too good to be true, you end up start to say, no man, a girl are wicked, you know. She play, some tricks she play upon me, just you're used to what I'm in the past. Same thing with woman, enough good man out there, whole heap a good man out there. But now judge Carlton based on what cheese tricks do now. It has to be studied. Anyway, Patron squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.